nothing, listen sis, I mean it, nothing has got more controversy on this channel, in these YouTube streets, in the wig community, than this, baby. Our booze at HerGivenHair. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Meekah, or Wigs to Wasteland, and here we are, sis. Big thank you to our lovely booze at HerGivenHair for sending out this unit. But wait, sis, wait. Let me tell you what they have decided to do. They listened to all of your comments, your questions, your remarks, your comments on this channel, as well as in these YouTube streets, and they are coming with some affordability. So if you aren't familiar with HerGivenHair units, these are very high quality, sometimes very expensive human hair units. They were kind enough to send me a unit, and guess what, baby? This line is starting at $220. Okay, sis, I know, still a little steep, but it's better than the $300 and $400 that some of these units go for. So let's go ahead and get into this collection, baby. This is HerGivenHair. I am giving you Kenya Moore, minus the stank attitude. How you doing? Big thank you to HerGivenHair for sending out the unit. And baby, guess what? This more affordable unit, sis. Price point starts at $226, goes all the way up to $335. I appreciate how they took all those subtle comments to heart. This is a 13x1 T-part lace unit. You do have the option of different parting styles for this particular unit. I am wearing the Kinky blowout unit in 16 inches with a medium cap size and of course a middle part, baby. This is a pre-plucked hairline, deeply bleached knots. It is also a Swiss transparent lace unit, 100% human Remy hair. You do have 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, with adjustable straps, and of course an elastic band for a secure fit. Straight out of the pack, sis. Hairline, nothing was done. I decided to keep this nice, simple, clean, easy, beginner friendly. I did not pluck anything out of this unit. I did not alter the hairline in any type of way. Parting space looks really good on here. As I did mention, they did go ahead and bleach the knots for you, baby. Patty pat pat with that powder and you good, boo. Now the hairline on here looks really good in my opinion. However, this is a medium-sized cap, so didn't have a lot of room on the side. I did have to go ahead and finesse, swoopity swoop the edges, sis, just so I can get it to blend with my own hairline. And if you do not have edges, I do strongly suggest you go up a size, especially if you got a big old head like me, 24 inches. Hello. Comfortable cap fit. You know, it is stretchy. Ear tabs don't really fall into place because it is a little short on the sides. But what I love most is this texture. Ladies, this is giving me 4C blowout realness. You know, when you at home and you wash your hair on wash day and you want to press it and you press it, but it don't come out like your stylist press it, so you do a little cry, but then you look in the mirror and you like, I'm still killing it. That is what it's giving me. You know, it's kind of giving me a struggle press, but in a good way. I'm really digging this blowout vibe. So I did not apply any product to this unit. This is a thick, density wig, baby. She's thick with it. So I kept it nice, short, simple, sweet, to the point, and au naturel. Couple of passes of my flat iron, and baby, yes. Thick with it, yes. But baby, stiff wear, boo. She still got that body. No shedding, no tangling with this unit. It is human hair, so you can plan accordingly, slay accordingly. I really have no issues with this texture at all. I really have no issues with the hair. I will say, if you are going to purchase, be aware of the density. I did have my hot comb to the hottest settings, sis. I wanted her flat. And that is exactly what your girl got. Hello. So if you're interested in checking out the information for this unit, I will have a direct link to their site in the description box down below. Thank you so much for tuning in, ladies. Definitely appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up, of course. Hit that red and subscribe to the channel. Drop your girl a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video with your family and your friends. Keep yourself first. Keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one. Yes, this is the crazy smile you give when you just completed a good 8 wigs, baby. How you doing? Yes. I am so hyped right now. But thank you so much for tuning in to the YouTube shout out portion of this video. If you are new to the channel, this is where I openly welcome you with open arms, and I give you a big hug and I introduce you. And thank you for joining the YouTube family. So thank you so much to all of you who did decide to click that red and subscribe and join the fam. So, big thank you to Call Me Lena, Lovely Rose, Ashlyn Crawford, Mo Williams, Tanija Barron, Dynasty Jefferson, J. Lever. Love that, sis. Hello. Patricia Lamb, Josh Russell, and Courtney O. Thank you so much to all of you for joining the fam. Definitely appreciate it. Goes without saying, you ladies and gentlemen make the channel. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Take care of yourselves. Keep yourself first. And as always, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.